Okay, we're setting up our paper for our kaleidoscope. First step is to draw an X through your paper, diagonal lines going from one corner to the other. Lightly, we're going to erase this later. Next step is to get your 11-inch circle, so 11 inches diameter. You want a 5.5 radius, so you'll open up your compass to 5.5 inches from one point to the other. You're going to poke a little hole or make a little groove in the center here so the metal point doesn't move. You're going to hold the top with your thumb and pointer finger. Apply lots of pressure to the metal point, lightly set down the pencil, and then twist the toggle at the top. You make it a little darker. You want to make sure that your circle is 11 inches in diameter. So measure it, make sure it's 11 inches in diameter. Next step is to erase the X. Don't need it anymore. And you want to draw a horizontal line through the middle. Make sure it's going through your center point. You're lining up the edge of the ruler with the edge of the paper. Along this horizontal line, you're going to set the protractor on this horizontal line. So there is a horizontal line on the protractor. You're going to line up that horizontal line with the horizontal line on your paper. And you're going to line up the hole there on the protractor with the center point. And you're going to mark 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90, 120, and 150. So every 30 degrees. You're going to do the same thing on the bottom. You're going to turn it upside down, line it up, mark 30, 60, 90, 120, and 150. Now you're ready to connect the dots. Start with the vertical line first, then work counterclockwise and connect all the dots. After you're done, you should have 12 pieces, 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. Now you're ready to start tracing your design. You should have pencil, you should have your design drawn on both sides of the tracing paper by now. You're going to place your tracing paper into any one of the sections. You can start in any section. You'll place it, fit it in, and you'll trace with the pencil. And then when you're done, you're going to flip it and move to the right. So you're going to go clockwise. You're going to flip and trace. Flip and go to the right, trace. Flip and 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 trace. So you're flipping it the same direction each time. Flip and trace until you come back to the last one, okay?